Welcome, and thank you for watching the CMSNet User ID Registration Process training module. This training module will instruct you about how to register for a CMSNet User ID, which is the first of two separate required user IDs needed for the hospice item set or HIS record submission. Before beginning the CMSNet User ID registration process, you must have the following information available about your hospice: the Medicare CCN, which is also known as the CMS Certification Number, and the state and zip code for your provider. It is vital that you have the correct 6-digit CCN when registering for a CMSNet User ID. Therefore, you are encouraged to verify the CCN with your business office prior to registration. The CMSNet User ID allows you access into CMS's private network where the KEYS ASAP and CASPER reporting systems reside. It is the first of two required user IDs necessary to submit HIS records to the KEYS ASAP system. Each provider is allowed two CMSNet user IDs. It is important to note that user IDs and passwords may not be shared. The CMSNet User ID registration is an online self-registration process. The Hospice CMSNet online registration application link is available on the QTSO website. It is recommended that you print the Hospice CMSNet online registration instructions and refer to them as you are registering for your CMSNet User ID. To begin, enter www.qtso.com in a new browser window, and the KEYS Technical Support Office homepage displays. From the QTSO homepage, select the CMSNet information link in the CMSNet information box, and the CMSNet information page displays. Notice two important links in the Access Request Forms, Installation Guides, and FAQ section. The first is the Hospice CMSNet Online Registration Instructions link. Print the instructions for the CMSNet User ID online registration process. You will need to follow the steps in this document to register for a CMSNet User ID. The second link is the Hospice CMSNet Online Registration link, where you will begin the process of registering for the CMSNet User ID. Select the Hospice CMSNet Online Registration link, and the CMSNet Remote Access Request Portal homepage displays. Shown here is the Hospice CMSNet Online Registration Instructions document. Follow the step-by-step instructions contained in this document to register for your CMSNet User ID. Some important CMSNet User ID registration tips. Ensure that you have available your provider's CCN, or CMS Certification Number, state, and zip code prior to registering for the CMSNet User ID. The information you enter will be validated for accuracy. If the information is inaccurate, a message will display on the web page. Re-enter the correct information. If you feel the information entered is correct, contact the CMSNet Remote User Help Desk. Once the CCN, state, and zip code information validation passes, complete the remainder of the fields on the Access Request Form tab. Additional fields to be completed include the type of request, provider information, and personal information. Please note that required fields are marked with an asterisk. After completing the required information, select the Submit button, and a Request Successfully Submitted page displays. This page includes the following information. Allow 2 full business days to receive your login information. Login information will be sent from the mdcn.mco@palmettogba.com email address. If you do not receive your login information, check your spam folder prior to contacting the CMSNet Help Desk for assistance. 2 emails will be sent from the mdcn.mco@palmettogba.com email. The first contains your new CMSNet User ID. The second email contains the temporary password associated with the user ID, links to access the Juniper software installation document, frequently asked questions or FAQs, and contact information. Should you have questions while registering for the CMSNet User ID, contact the CMSNet Help Desk by phone at 888-238-2122 or by email at mdcn.mco@palmettogba.com.